Today, we're making the best Hawaiian BBQ Teriyaki Chicken. This is my dad's recipe, and after over 20 years of making it, it's by far the best grilled chicken I've ever had. We'll be cooking on a charcoal grill today, giving this a fragrant and sugary flavor. The grill caramelizes the chicken so amazingly well, and the chicken is juicy and goes so well with rice and veggies. This is one of those recipes that is better than any takeout or restaurants that you can buy from, and making this at home is the only way to truly enjoy the delicious flavors. So, let's get cooking. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. Screenshot this to save for later when you go grocery shopping. This recipe makes about 10 servings, so scale it as you see fit. We'll start by crushing 6 to 8 garlic cloves into our marination container. Then we'll add 1.5 cups of lower salt ALOHA soy sauce. Add 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 1 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Once added, use a spoon to stir until it dissolved. ALOHA brand soy sauce has a much sweeter flavor that gives this chicken a very sweet taste. Places like 99 Ranch and other Asian markets often carry this soy sauce. Regular soy sauce works too, but doesn't quite taste as good. We'll also add 1/2 cup of water and stir. This marinade is very sweet, and the sugar will later caramelize when we grill everything up. Stir until everything is fully dissolved and mixed together. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of Tabasco and stir a little more. We're using 10 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. We'll carefully trim some of the excess fat and fat pockets in the chicken thighs. We don't want to remove the skin, but be sure to trim some of the excess skin that is hanging off the thighs. We want to make sure to save the skin because this will render when we're grilling later and add a ton of flavor. Add this chicken to the marinade and submerge. Make sure everything is covered and in the marinade. Then we'll put this into the refrigerator for 12 hours and allow to marinate. After 12 hours, flip the chicken to ensure all the chicken pieces have been exposed to the marinade. Sometimes the chicken sticks together and not everything is fully marinated, so flipping the chicken helps us out. And then marinate in the refrigerator for another 6 hours. Alright, let's get ready to grill. We're using mesquite charcoal today to grill our chicken. This charcoal gives the chicken a sweet charcoal flavor that just stands out so much compared with stovetop or gas grilling. We'll spread our lit coals around and prepare to grill. With our chicken, we'll carefully add it on top. And then allow to cook for about 7 minutes with the lid on. We'll check on the temperature. Before flipping and shifting the pieces around. Then allow to cook for another 7 minutes with the lid on. We can then check on the temperature once again and flip and move around our chicken pieces as needed to the hot spots on the grill, or indirect heating as needed based on the internal temperatures. Our target is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just about there. This chicken smells absolutely amazing right now, and you can see the sugar from the marinade is just caramelizing the skin and chicken. The skin from the chicken also renders on the grill, and it just adds a ton of flavor. This is a wonderful smell and just so much more flavor than indoor stoves or gas grills. Once our chicken is at 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, we can remove it from the grill and enjoy. And that's how you make the best Hawaiian BBQ Teriyaki Chicken at home. My dad has been cooking this up for our family for over 20 years, and without a doubt, it is my favorite. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite thing to grill is. We'll see you next time.